This is Natural Lux Diva. I hope you all are doing well. I'm coming in to do a haul. This is going to be a Fendi haul. Also, I have a couple of items from Sephora, and I have another item that I ordered to add to this video. Okay, the first thing is from Sephora, and for the sake of time, I've already opened up the box. And here is the reason I made the online purchase. It is a lipstick by Charlotte Tilbury. I have been wanting to try this lipstick for a long time. Here it is, guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is called Yes Honey. Here's a swatch of it. And I think I'm going to go ahead and take the lipstick that I'm wearing off, and I'm going to try on Yes Honey. Here's what Yes Honey looks like. I think you can't go wrong with this color. It's great for all skin tones. You can use it with or without a lip liner. Really, really pretty. I wanted a really pretty nude color, and Yes Honey did not disappoint. Really beautiful. I was able to get one of the mini lipsticks, and here's the color of Pillow Talk. It's a dusty rose color, so it's really pretty. Here's the Yes Honey, which is a lot more nudier, and here's the Pillow Talk, which is right there. And the Pillow Talk, you can see it's a lot more pinker. It's really pretty on my hand. Look at that, so cute. Let's get to Fendi. Okay, here's the first item. Here's what's inside. I'm pretty sure you can guess what's inside of it. And here it is, everyone. It is a Fendi belt. Let me get the correct name so I can tell you what it is. Made in Italy. Really, really beautiful. I ordered it in a large size because I wanted to be able to fit over my trench coats and things like that. This is the security tag. We invite you to try this item on without removing the identification tag and disposable seal. Items without the tag and seal would not be accepted. When you're paying quite a bit of money for your items, you want to make sure that you're getting authentic items. Flip the hardware over and you have a whole different type of belt. I always say a belt and a brooch can always upgrade any outfit. Okay, here's the next item. Here's the inside. Now I forgot to show you the envelope for the belt. Okay, here's what's inside of it. It's a beautiful thank you card. Thank you for choosing Fendi, fusing craftsmanship with the spirit of innovation. Fendi expresses a creative and contemporary vision of luxury since 1925. We hope you'll cherish your new purchase for years to come. Sincerely, Fendi. Oh my gosh. And here it is, you all. She's a little something. Let me put my glasses on so I can give you the correct name of this beauty. This is the Nano FENDIGRAPHY Black Leather Charm Bag. She's 14 centimeters in height, 5 centimeters in depth, and 16.5 centimeters in length. It is gorgeous and it's different. I love the fact that it's so versatile. You can wear it on your wrist. Sometimes you want to step out of the box and be different, and there's nothing wrong with that. You want to be unique, a different look. The hardware is in that beautiful antique gold. It's a hobo style bag. It has the beautiful calf leather zipper tab, and it's a pull tab. It's stuffed with paper. The inside is a beautiful metallic gold, absolutely gorgeous. This is the authenticity card, really, really nice. There's the Fendi tab inside of it. On the other side of the tab, it has the authenticity number. I do know for a fact that it will not fit my phone. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's only going to hold so much. Some lipsticks, key fob, your compact. It's good for several things. I found this on Amazon, and here it is, you all. It is so beautiful. Oh wow, look at that. Now you have another whole look to this gorgeous bag. If I decide to wear it as a crossbody bag, I'll find a chain strap for that. But this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really pleased with the look. yeah, this is my Fendi purchase. I'm super happy with the belt and I'm happy with the bag. Before I go, I want to give a word of encouragement. I try to be mindful of what I say to you. I don't want to just give you a generic word of encouragement. I want to give you something that's going to have some meaning to it. I wrote down some notes to make sure I stay on task. Okay, the words of encouragement has to do with mental wellness. Mental health counseling is my background. I don't like to try to exploit people's pain or try to speak on anyone's behalf. I've been watching this lady and her daughter for years, Naomi Judd. Where I got my training from, you don't say people commit suicide. We say they died by way of suicide. And mental illness is for real. They have proven it changes the chemistry of your mind. There's different levels. You're having a bad day, you may feel a little blue, and then you shake it off. But when you go into that deep, deep hole and you start to have ideations of suicide, it's serious. And the reason why I can say that because when I had my son, I didn't know what it was, but thank God my mother was alive at the time. I was going through what I found out to be postpartum depression. And I just could not stop crying. I could not be excited. I had this new baby boy, had my beautiful daughter. We had our first little starter home, everything to be excited about, but I couldn't get myself together. My mother recognized it because she was a nurse. Even then, it was a stigma. Nobody said, go get help. It took a long time. So I understand it. You all continue to keep our loved ones in prayer. They're going to need it. If you are feeling hopeless, please do not hesitate. Call. This disease will make you feel like you're the only one going through it. It'll make you feel like no one would understand. The shame put on it. Please stop the stigma. If you know someone who's going through it, make that phone call for them. I'm going to put a number in the description box and I'll also put the number up top. You can call anonymously. There is help and there is hope. They don't have to know who you are. People really care about you. So that's going to be it. I hope that you all have a wonderful, blessed, safe, and for real peaceful weekend. You all take care. Peace and blessings. Bye bye.